Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Headlamp Restoration Kit is probably one of the most overlooked car maintenance products, but it can dramatically improve your vehicle's appearance and safety. Over time, your car's headlights become cloudy and yellow due to sun exposure and road debris. This kit promises to restore clarity and brightness, making your nighttime driving safer and your car look years younger. Number 5. CERAKOTE Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. Tired of cloudy headlights? This kit from CERAKOTE is guaranteed to last as long as you own your vehicle. It brings your headlights back to like new condition. Each kit includes everything you need. You'll receive oxidation-removing wipes, a sanding kit, and ceramic coating wipes. It's a complete solution for your headlights. This is a ceramic coating that chemically bonds to your headlights. It provides UV protection for the life of your vehicle. You won't have to worry about it fading. You don't need any power tools to use this kit. Everything is included, so you can restore your headlights without risking damage to your car. The ceramic coating provides a layer of UV protection. This will keep your headlights looking clear and new. We provide the best products for our customers. The process is simple and takes only 30 minutes. First, the oxidation remover wipes remove oxidation. Then, the sanding kit removes any remaining oxidation. Finally, the ceramic coating restores the headlight. CERAKOTE is a leading innovator in ceramic polymer technology. The coatings are trusted by many companies. Rely on the industry leader to protect your headlights. What we like. This kit offers a ceramic coating that bonds chemically, ensuring protection for as long as you own your vehicle. It's a simple, 3-step process that takes only 30 minutes. If you're looking for a long-term solution and want to avoid using power tools, this is the perfect choice. It provides lasting clarity and UV protection. What people say. The kit comes with 10 wipes, each wipe is individually sealed to keep it fresh until you're ready to use it. The most impressive feature of the CERAKOTE Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit is its ability to restore cloudy, yellowed, or foggy headlights to a like-new condition. The coating forms a protective layer that not only brings out the shine but also protects the headlights from UV rays, dirt, and water. Number 4. SYLVANIA Headlight Restoration Kit. Is your headlight looking dull and hazy? This kit removes corrosion and restores clarity. It's designed to bring your headlights back to like-new condition. This kit clears your lenses from sun damage. With this, the road ahead will be better illuminated. You'll experience improved visibility and safer driving. The process is simple. First, use the surface activator. Then, sand and polish. Finally, finish and seal with the UV block clear coat applicator. The components of this kit are designed for 2 headlight assemblies. Once installed properly, it is covered by a lifetime warranty. You can be confident in its lasting performance. With over 100 years in business, SYLVANIA is a world leader in automotive lighting. They provide quality products for both original equipment manufacturers and the aftermarket. Trust in their expertise. What we like. This kit restores headlight light output and comes with a lifetime warranty. The 3-step process includes a UV block clear coat for lasting protection. If you are looking for a kit with a warranty and want to restore your headlights to their original brightness, this is the one for you. What people say. It does include everything you need, no extra tools required, and will take the average DIYer about an hour to complete both headlights. The kit includes 3 sheets, one each of 2,000, 1,000, and 400 grit wet sanding paper. This product performed as exactly advertised. You may remain skeptical until you finish the final step of applying the UV block clear coat, as your headlight will remain hazy until then. Then the magic happens as you apply the clear coat when your headlight appear in near new condition. Number 3. 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit, 39195. Tired of hazy headlights? This kit is designed to make the restoration process simple. It includes everything you need to bring back the clarity of your plastic lenses. The kit comes with essential items such as masking tape, sanding discs, and wax protectant. It's a comprehensive solution to address yellowing and other buildup on your headlights. This kit is suitable for use on headlights, taillights, fog lights, and directional lights. It's a versatile product that can improve the look of multiple parts of your vehicle. Using 3M's abrasive technology, the kit removes yellowing and buildup without harming the plastic surface. The process is effective and safe for your lenses. Choose a kit that requires no tools, or use it with a common household drill. The product is designed for ease of use, making it accessible for everyone. What we like. This kit includes masking tape and is designed for use on various types of lights, including headlights, taillights, and fog lights. It utilizes 3M abrasive technology to remove yellowing and buildup. If you have multiple vehicles or want to restore different types of lights, this kit provides comprehensive coverage. What people say. It comes with everything that you need: 3 different grits of sandpaper, with multiple pieces, 2 new clear coat packs, and even a glove to keep you from touching the clear coat. Start off dry sanding with the yellow discs. I used a battery-powered drill, and a brief minute of hoo-boy as I watched the headlights get very clouded from the sanding. Then, the white discs, and I watched the previous sand marks start to disappear. Finally, the blue disc, with a squirt bottle to wet sand, and I watched the headlights go clear as glass. Number 2. MEGUIAR'S Headlight Restoration Kit. Are your headlights looking cloudy? This kit is designed to quickly and easily restore them. The 2-step process removes oxidation and yellowing, bringing back long-lasting clarity. This kit provides protection for up to 12 months. The headlight coating helps keep your headlights clear and prevents them from yellowing again. This ensures they work better and look better. The process is simple: apply the cleaning solution, then the headlight coating. No drill is needed. It quickly removes oxidation and cloudiness, leaving your headlights brilliantly clear. Clear headlights improve nighttime visibility. This enhances both the look of your car and your safety while driving at night. You'll see the road much better. The cleaning solution is easy to use and doesn't require any sanding or drills. Just use the included pads to rejuvenate your headlights by hand. It's a simple and effective solution. What we like. This kit offers a simple 2-step process and provides protection for up to 12 months. It enhances visibility and safety for nighttime driving. If you like a quick and easy solution that delivers long-lasting clarity and protection, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. The kit comes with everything needed. The Headlight Restoration Kit worked as advertised. The headlights look like new. Number 1. Chemical Guy's Headlight Restore and Protect 16 fluid ounces. Driving at night can be dangerous, but this product can help. Regular use ensures your headlights stay clear, improving your night vision and overall road safety. Clear headlights give you more reaction time, keeping you safe in low light. This product not only cleans but also protects. After restoring clarity, it seals the surface. This guards against elements that cause yellowing and cloudiness, ensuring long-lasting performance in all weather. Save money on expensive headlight replacements. With this product, you can easily rejuvenate and maintain your headlights. It restores their clarity and brightness, keeping them effective for better road visibility. It's simple to apply and effective for a DIY solution. This product restores headlights to a like-new condition. It keeps your vehicle's lighting system bright, clear, and safe from damage caused by oxidation and debris. Looking for a great gift? This Christmas, give the gift of clarity. It's a thoughtful and practical present for car lovers. It helps keep their vehicle headlights safe and shining bright year-round. What we like. This kit improves visibility and offers all-weather protection, ensuring your headlights stay clear and safe in any condition. It's a cost-effective solution that saves you money on costly replacements. If you want to ensure your safety on the road and are looking for a budget-friendly option, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This is nice cause it's just the right grit rating to do a complete job relatively easily. I restored the clarity originally with automotive scratch remover, and then with a coat of wax. That works but need regular touch-ups, especially when using car washes. I purchased this product and applied a coat to touch up some areas. Although I had a head start because my lenses were in pretty good shape, the result was impressive. Some light hand rubbing, let dry and wipe off improved clarity to the lenses beyond my earlier attempts. I recommend this product. Put some of the product, which has a creamy texture, onto a microfiber cloth or similar, and then rub it on the lens. Once it has been worked in, use a clean cloth to remove any excess, and to polish the lens. Total time is 5 minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.